Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best cocktail tool set is probably one of the most essential investments a budding mixologist or home bar enthusiast can make, transforming simple ingredients into sophisticated libations with professional flair and precision, ensuring every drink you craft is not just a beverage, but an experience. Number 5. Modern Mixology Cocktail Shaker Set. Introducing the Modern Mixology Cocktail Shaker Set, your all-in-one solution for creating delicious drinks at home. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to become your own favorite bartender. Crafted from top-grade stainless steel, this shaker is built to last. Its durable design ensures it resists rust and wear, providing you with reliable performance for years of cocktail making. Designed for convenience, this set includes essential tools like a strainer and tongs. You can pour, mix, and shake your favorite cocktails effortlessly, making the process simple and efficient. Keep your bar tools tidy and accessible with the included stylish wooden stand. It not only organizes your tools but also adds a touch of elegance to your home bar, complementing any decor. Whether for yourself or as a gift, this cocktail set offers exceptional value and aesthetic appeal. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced mixologists, making any occasion more special. What we like. This set offers a leak-proof design for mess-free shaking and a stylish wooden stand to keep your tools organized. If you're looking for a blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal for your home bar, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who appreciate a tidy and elegant setup. What people say. The cocktail shaker is well made and doesn't leak. The jigger is accurate and easy to use for measuring ingredients. Comes with a variety of essential tools for making different types of cocktails. Number 4. Mixology 10-Piece Cocktail Shaker Set. This is an all-inclusive cocktail set with top-shelf bartending accessories. It gives you the power to impress your guests with amazing drinks, whether you're a beginner or a pro. This kit includes a stylish bamboo holder and all the essential tools. You'll get a spoon, jigger, muddler, shaker, strainer, pourers, and a corkscrew. Keep your barware organized and accessible with this elegant bamboo stand. It's designed to prevent clutter and showcase your beautiful cocktail kit. This first-class bartending set, along with its sleek bamboo holder, makes a fantastic gift. Your recipient will be absolutely thrilled with this classy present. Crafted from heavy-duty, high-grade stainless steel alloy, this set is built to last. It's also dishwasher compatible, ensuring easy cleaning and no wear and tear. Transform your home bar with this comprehensive set. It provides everything you need to create professional quality cocktails with ease and style. What we like. This comprehensive 10-piece set comes with a beautiful bamboo stand to keep everything organized and accessible. If you're a beginner or a seasoned pro looking for an all-in-one solution with a touch of natural elegance, this is the set for you. It's also a great gift option for any cocktail enthusiast. What people say. The cocktail shaker is well made and doesn't leak. The jigger is accurate and easy to read, making precise measurements simple. All the tools are made of stainless steel, which feels durable and looks great. Number 3. Mixology and Craft All-in-One Cocktail Shaker Kit. Introducing the Ultimate Cocktail Shaker Kit. It includes everything you need to craft your favorite drinks like a pro, from shakers to strainers and muddlers. Crafted from superior, professional-grade stainless steel, this set is built for durability and lasting strength. Its polished finish is easy to clean and maintains a stunning look. Designed for ease of use, each tool allows for smooth pouring and effortless stirring. Accurate measurements ensure a seamless cocktail crafting experience every time. Perfect for home bars, parties, or any event, this set lets you create a wide variety of cocktails. It's your go-to solution for any drink mixing need. Packaged in a stylish tube, this cocktail kit makes an impressive gift. It's ideal for weddings, celebrations, or simply to impress your friends with your mixology skills. What we like. With 16 pieces, this set equips you with everything needed for professional-level drink mixing, all made from durable stainless steel. If you need a highly versatile kit that's also incredibly giftable thanks to its stylish tube packaging, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for those who want a complete set for various occasions. What people say. The cocktail shaker is well made and doesn't leak. The jigger is accurate and easy to read, making precise measurements simple. This set includes all the essential tools for making a variety of cocktails at home. Number 2. Mixology and Craft Boston Shaker Set. Elevate your home bar with this professional-grade Boston Shaker Set. Its weighted tins offer optimal balance and control, ensuring a seamless mixing experience every time. You'll also receive a durable Hawthorne strainer and a precise Japanese jigger. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this set is built to last for years. It's designed to be both rust-resistant and leak-proof, so you can mix with confidence. This set comes in a sleek, compact tube, keeping your tools organized and accessible. It's perfect for crafting a wide range of drinks and makes an ideal gift for any occasion. Get creative with the included cocktail recipe cards. Discover your next signature drink and mix up delicious beverages right at home. Achieve accurate measurements with the included jigger. It's ideal for crafting perfect martinis, margaritas, and other classic cocktails with precision. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this weighted shaker set provides all the essential bar tools. You'll be whipping up impressive cocktails for your guests in no time. What we like. This Boston Shaker set features weighted tins for superior balance and control, along with top-notch rust-resistant construction. If you're a home bartender who values precision, durability, and wants to experiment with new drinks using the included recipe cards, this set is ideal. It's designed for those who take their cocktail craft seriously. What people say. The cocktail shaker is well made and doesn't leak. The jigger is accurate and easy to use for measuring ingredients. The muddler is sturdy and effectively crushes herbs and fruits. Number 1. KINGROW Stainless Steel Boston Cocktail Shaker Set. Introducing a comprehensive 23-piece bartender kit designed to meet all your drink mixing needs. This set includes everything from shakers and jiggers to strainers and accessories, perfect for home or parties. Crafted from durable, rust-proof 18/8 stainless steel, these tools are built to last. The shaker features a tight seal, ensuring no spills while you mix your favorite cocktails with ease. Achieve perfect drink ratios with the included double jiggers for accurate measurements. Effortlessly crush ingredients with the muddler and keep your drinks perfectly chilled without dilution using the reusable whiskey stones. Keep your bar area tidy and stylish with the modern acrylic stand. It neatly organizes all the tools, making them easy to find, carry, and display, enhancing any home bar or kitchen. This complete set comes with a recipe booklet to guide beginners in crafting classic cocktails. It makes an ideal gift for holidays, birthdays, or any occasion for the cocktail lover in your life. Whether you're hosting an indoor gathering or an outdoor event, this versatile set is perfect for any occasion. Enjoy creating delicious cocktails wherever you are. What we like. This is the ultimate all-in-one kit with 23 pieces, including 2 sizes of Boston shakers with a guaranteed leak-proof seal, all organized on a modern acrylic stand. If you want the most comprehensive set with everything you could possibly need for home cocktail making, and appreciate a sleek display, this is the one. It's perfect for enthusiasts who want maximum variety and convenience. What people say. The cocktail shaker is well made and easy to use, creating perfect frothy drinks. This set includes all the essential tools for home bartending, from muddler to jigger. The Hawthorne strainer fits snugly on shaker tins and effectively strains ice and pulp. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.